What are the main problems with the manual cleaning of IBC totes? Now, this is a common practice in many businesses. You'll manually clean out your IBCs, but there's some significant issues with cleaning IBCs in this way. First of all, it's labour intensive. So we've got an opportunity cost there to the business. If your employees or operators are spending time cleaning out IBCs, there's probably much more productive things they could be doing in the business. There's a labour cost there, and it should just be factored in as the hourly cost of labour. It should be factored in the value of what those people could be doing if they weren't spending time cleaning IBCs. So they could be doing something more productive, so that cost there. Secondly, there's health and safety issues. Depending on the residue being cleaned out, this factor varies greatly, but it's not a nice job cleaning out an IBC, particularly if it's got something nasty or smelly or whatever in there that you're trying to clean out. So there can be some potential health and safety issues there to consider. Third problem is poor accuracy. Manual cleaning relies on a human being being able to do the job thoroughly, and it can be difficult to spot bits that you haven't done, particularly if the residue isn't very visible. Often humans will miss bits because small amounts of residue may remain and may not be seen, and this could be a potential source of contamination when the IBC is reused. Again, it depends what the situation is, what the substance is in there, and how critical it is to get them thoroughly cleaned. But poor accuracy can be a big problem in any manual cleaning process, and IBCs are no different. Fourthly, it's actually quite difficult to do it properly. The entry point to the IBC is normally through the lid. This is where you're going to do your cleaning action. But those upper corners of the IBC are actually quite difficult to clean. If you're trying to get a jet washer or a power washer or a hose in there, it can be quite difficult to get to those bits. So there's bits that are hard to reach, and again, that can lead to poor results, or it takes a lot of time and effort to actually get those bits actually clean. So it's difficult to do it properly. So those are the four main problems with manual cleaning of IBCs. These can all be solved by having an IBC cleaning kit that has a 360-degree cleaning head that goes into the IBC, and you can solve all of those problems.